Hello friends, we are going to discuss concept of vector from A-level syllabus and I have taken a problem from A-level past paper. Now the problem here is with respect to origin, the position vectors of the points A, B and C are given by OA vector equals to 0, 5, 2, OB vector equals to 1, 0, 1 and OC vector equals to 4, minus 3, minus 2. The midpoint of AC is M and the point N lies on BC between B and C and is such that BN equals to 2NC. A part, find the position vectors of M and N. B part, find a vector equation for the line through M and N. C part, find the position vector of Q where the line through M and N intersect the line through A and B. Now the solution. We'll start from A part. Here we have to find the position vector of M and N. So we will apply triangle law of addition of vector. This is my point O, this is my point A and this is my point C, and here point M. This M point is midpoint of AC. OA vector, AM vector, OM vector. We need to find OM vector, which is OA vector plus 1 upon 2 AC vector. OA vector we know that it's a 0, 5, 2 plus 1 upon 2. My AC vector is 4 minus 0, so would be 4, minus 3 minus 5 would be minus 8, minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 would be minus 4. So now I'll simplify here. 0 plus 4 by 2, so that would be 2. The second is, this is when you divide, so it would be minus 4, so 5 minus 4 would be 1 and the last value would be 0. So this is my OM vector. Now the next one is triangle. This is my point N, this is my point B, this is my point C, this is my point O. This is OB position vector, then another vector would be BN, and then we are looking for ON. So we will write here ON vector equals to OB vector plus 2 upon 3 BC. So OB vector would be 1, 0, 1 plus 2 over 3 BC. BC vector, so OC minus OB, 4 minus 1 would be 3, minus 3 minus 0 would be minus 3 here, and here minus 2 minus 1 would be minus 3. So now you will see here, so this is 3 and 3 get cancelled and 1 plus 2 would be 3. Second one is 3 get cancelled, minus 1 will come, minus 1 into 2, so this is a minus 2 here. And the last one is minus 1, so here minus 1 and here is 2, so it would be minus 2, so 1 minus 2 would be minus 1. So this is the answer of ON vector. Now we will proceed to part B. So for part B, we have to find the vector equation of line which is passing through M and N. So we have here OM and ON. So first we will find the direction vector MN. Direction vector MN would be ON minus OM. So ON 3 minus 2 would be 1, minus 2 minus 1 would be minus 3, and here minus 1. So this is again minus 1 will come. Okay. Now we will proceed to equation of line. So we will be writing vector R. We need to write position vector 2, 1, 0 plus lambda times . So this is the equation of Mn. Now we will proceed to C part. In C part, we need to find AB equation. So first we will find AB vector. So AB vector would be OB minus OA. So here 1 minus 0 would be 1, 0 minus 5 would be minus 5, and 1 minus 2 would be minus 1. So now the equation of line would be 1, 0, 1 as a position vector plus mu times 1 minus 5 minus 1. Now for finding the point of intersection of MN and AB, we will compare the components of X and Y. So here X component X component 2 plus lambda equals to 1 plus mu. So here lambda minus mu equals to minus 1, equation number 1. Then Y component, in Y component 1 minus 3 lambda equals to 0 minus 5 mu. So I will be writing here minus 3 lambda plus 5 mu equals to minus 1, and this is my equation number 2. So simultaneously I will solve it and get the value of lambda and mu. So now the value of lambda would be minus 3 and value of mu would be minus 2 here. So now these values we will substitute in the respective equation. So now when you substitute the value of lambda, you will be getting Mn equation. So then in Mn equation you will write 2, 1, 0 plus minus 3, 1 minus 3 minus 1. So this would be 3 minus 3 and here 2 would be minus 1. 3 into 3, so this would be 10, and here is 3. Similarly, when you take AB equation, then in AB equation 101 plus value of mu would be minus 2, and here 1 minus 5 minus 1. So then you will be getting minus 1, here 10, and here 3. So as the point is common, so that's why position vector Q would be minus 1, 10, and 3. So this is the solution of A as well as B part. I hope you understood this solution. Please like, share and subscribe this channel.